Hi friends, happy Friday. Wanted to show you what I have blooming on my trees today. It's a beautiful nodosa. I've had her for a little bit and she's mounted, she's growing beautifully. And in addition to that, for the first time, I have these in bloom. I bought this is a bag baby from, I don't remember if it was Home Depot or Lowe's, but that's her name. And she's so pretty. She's purple. They say it's blue, but I see it as purple. Anyway, they look fake. They're so tiny. They look like they're dancing. But at any rate, this is what she looks like. I have her there. And pretty much just how I got her, I put her on the tree. I didn't want to disturb her. I thought that maybe her bulbs were damaged, but it was only this one. It didn't spread to any other ones. And as you can see, she is very happy there and she's blooming for the first time. Here's another plant that I mounted on this tree not too long ago, and it's actually, you can see the root system. She's getting acclimated nicely. And in addition to that, I have this other Cattleya, and actually she's a key lime little stars. She is a um, she's a hybrid. She's not a Cattleya, but at any rate, she is growing really nicely in here and she is getting attached. She's already attached. So I put these black plastic things around my trees, hoping that it would deter the wildlife. And it has not. But I found that it really does help my orchids. It helps me with mounting, it helps me with attaching um, zip ties and stuff to it. So I'm really liking that. I can use that. At any rate, I just wanted to show you what's going on over here. I have plants all the way up, and there's my Grammy right there. She hasn't given me any flowers yet. She's been there for about a year, and I separated her into 4 parts. So I'm not really expecting her to give flowers anytime soon, but I do expect her to continue to thrive in there. I've seen some new shoots and I'm just waiting. She's going to be beautiful when she's in full bloom. But in the meantime, let's enjoy these beauties right here. I hope you have an amazing day. And if you like what you see, please give a like, comment, or even subscribe to the channel. I appreciate your time and have a wonderful, wonderful Friday.